my name is Norleli. In this video, we're going to look at the difference between subject pronouns and object pronouns. But before we do so, I would like you to look at this sentence. This is Anna. She seems unhappy. Well, because Mom shouts at Anna. In this sentence, do you know which one is subject and object? That's right. Mom is subject, Anna is object, and shouts at is verb. Now, I'm going to show you a list of 7 object pronouns in English. Now, what is a pronoun? What is a subject pronoun? And what is an object pronoun? A pronoun is any word that can replace a noun. If the noun that we're replacing is the subject of a sentence, then we need subject pronoun. If the noun that we're replacing is the object of a sentence, then we need to use object pronouns. Now let's see this sentence one more time. Mom shouts at Anna. Mom is subject that does the action. To replace subject, we need to use subject pronouns she. Anna is the object that receives the action. To replace object, we need to use object pronouns her. So we can say she shouts at her. Now let's see more sentences. William plays football. He plays it. Joe loves Sylvia. He loves her. Rocky hates birds. He hates them. Joe and Sue love Jane and Sylvia. They love them. Mom and Dad love my sister and I. They love us. I want you to use the correct subject pronouns or object pronouns to replace the underlined words. I'll give you 15 seconds to do this. Good job, everyone. Now let's check the answers together. Number 1, Johnny broke it. Number 2, Jack invited us to his party. Number 3, I can find them anywhere. Number 4, the teacher didn't see him yesterday. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.